She was in here, proper grit, just being very disrespectful. She was like cursing at gas, almost fell like, she fell over there, but she almost fell over here. I grabbed her. We're just trying to verify if she is a guest here. We're trying to accommodate her, tell her, hey, go back up to your room. Call her night.
On the scale of like what you should and should not do is like.
She just fell down a couple times, but now she's back here.
Do not do that shit.
We need to find out if she's a guest here.
Don't do it! Don't fucking.
Nobody recognizes her?
No one recognizes her, but she does have a bracelet.
So usually that means yes, right?
Yeah, that means that she is a guest, but we just need to verify her.
How are you? You having too much of a good time?
I have a question for you. So
Are you Julia?
What the are you guys like doing right here? Because I'm gonna get the up and leave if I see any more people surrounding this place. And also, like, why are you surrounding me? Like, I've done nothing wrong, and like you're watching like people, like, so
Where am I taking it?
Get me the fuck out of here.
You don't need to sit down.
No, get me out of here.
She signaled too.
She allowed to go back in?
Yeah, shit.
Yeah, she's crazy.
Oh shit.
George. George.
What?
George.
Okay.
He doesn't
Who
know.
the fuck are you with?
Okay.
Why the
Ma'am, you have to go outside.
Excuse me, wait,
Ma'am.
I need to talk to my.
Ma'am, you have to go outside. They don't want you to.
I need. Why the fuck are you doing this to me?
No, you have to go outside, ma'am. Come on.
We'll wait for him.
What are you doing? I need to talk to my boyfriend.
He's on the way down. He's coming downstairs.
Do you know? How do you know this?
Listen, miss, he's going to meet you outside. Can you
How do
please
you
go
know
outside?
this?
I just talked to him.
Why are we
Sorry,
talking to
Jerry,
me?
Jerry's coming right now.
Yes, why are we talking to
Juliet,
me?
could you come outside with us? I need you to
Okay,
come outside with us.
why are we talking to me?
Please come outside with us, okay?
Why are we talking to me? What have I done? What the f*** have I f***ing done?
She has to go.
Oh, well, make it f***ing clear. So give me a f***ing break if I don't give a f***
Okay,
about...
listen to me. Listen to me. Stop screaming. Stop screaming. If not, you're gonna go to jail. Okay?
Okay.
You are trespassed from this hotel. Listen. No,
Where I'm
listen.
staying here.
No, you're not allowed to stay here. If you come back,
Why?
listen to.
Wait,
Ma'am.
no, excuse me. I'm staying here.
No more.
So why? Why?
No more.
Give
You
me
gotta
a reason.
They want you off the property, so leave the property.
Give me a
I told you.
reason.
I just told you. You gotta get off the property.
No, you did not
I did.
give me a reason.
Yeah, I did.
You little f***ing, you did not.
Yeah, I did. They don't want you on the property. That's
Okay,
the reason.
so wait, the reason is they don't want me on the property.
Where's Jerry at?
So please, this is my f***ing boyfriend, Red f***ing Jerry.
You need to get her.
She has to leave.
Take her out of here.
Yeah, off the property completely.
Off property. Let me get my car.
Okay.
Why the f***?
Hey, Jules. Don't say anything else, please. Please. Otherwise, you're going to get arrested.
Is there a reason why I can't be kept here on property? I'm just curious.
They have the right to remove anybody from the
No, but I'm curious.
You don't have to do anything.
No, but I'm serious. I'm
just told you.
We don't know why. They called us because of whatever disturbance you're causing, and they want you off the property. That's all we know.
Oh, hey,
So that's it.
No,
So your boyfriend's gonna go get your bag and
that's
his bag.
fine. I just am like so, like I'm just like so.
Nothing to be confused about.
What am I confused about? Why
No,
the f-
There's nothing to be confused about.
No, there absolutely is a lot to be confused about. Are you serious? So then you're stupid.
I guess I am.
Yes, that's true. So you're just stupid. That's okay.
Yeah, I guess so.
We like stupid people too. No big deal. And stupid people are people. If we were in an actual world, we'd actually be friends, I think. But
No, I don't think so.
oh, fuck off.
I don't think so.
Right here? Okay, then you're just friends with stupid people. I don't like those people either. So f*** off. Have fun with f***ing stupid people. Who the f*** are you? Who are you? What's your name?
Smith.
I would like to know all of your
Smith.
f***ing names because I'm gonna be f***ing reporting them.
That's great. I just told you my name, Smith.
Yeah, I'm like recording it right now. So Smith, and what's your other name? What's your actual
That's
name?
it. Smith is my name.
No, what's your first name?
You don't need my first name.
I actually f***ing do.
Okay.
I need to know your f***ing first name
I
and
just
your
told you
fucking
mine.
second f***ing
No, I
name. I
don't.
need to know every f***ing name that it f***ing takes to f***ing... Yes, I f***ing do. I'm recording this shit.
Go ahead.
You guys are f***ing so f***ing lazy. I understand
Thank you.
you guys... No, I understand.
I understand,
like,
yeah. Thank you.
No, I understand that, like, having you guys as, like, a proponent is, like, pretty much, like, just, like, a death nail. Because,
Cool.
like,
Cool story.
anyone in your f***ing, like, service is going to get f***ed. So, f*** you.
We get her off. She can wait over there across the lobby.
No.
I think we'll have you
No.
wait. Julia, I'm the manager of the hotel.
Tell me how
Can we
the
get off property? This is way too distracting.
Let's go across the street.
Wait across the street.
Go across the street.
I need to wait.
Across the street.
Okay, well then push
Across the street.
Push me.
Come on.
No, fucking push me. Across this
God.
fucking street.
You can
Take
get off. You can get off the
fucking
property, or
across
you can
the
go to jail for trespassing. Is that what you want to do?
Jesus fucking
Go
Christ.
across the street.
Jesus fucking Christ. You guys are ass.
Go across the street.
You guys go f- Excuse me. Ow.
You fucking hit me.
Ow.
Now you can go to jail. Quicker.
Ow. 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 No. No. Get the f off of me.
Give me your arm.
No.
Your arm.
Get the f off of me. Get the f off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me.
Ready?
Get off of me. Get the f off of me. Stop. Stop.
Get up.
You know. Stop it! Stop it! Stop!
Get up!
Advise was taken, unknown time delay. Got a 5607 in the lobby. Last wearing a black shirt.
You can stand up, or we're gonna pick you
Stand
up.
up!
Stand up, or we're gonna pick you up.
Get up.
Stop it!
Stand up.
Sit up.
Stand up then!
Just get me out of here! Get the off of me! Get off of me!
Stand.
No!
Stand up!
Stand up. You're literally laying on the ground with no pants on. Get up and get in the car.
You!
Get up. Get in the car.
You! Get me! No!
Legs up. She's sent them again. Don't you hit me?
Fucking dumb.
Pull it.
Get that shit, you mother dumb shit.
You gotta pick up her
I
legs.
will
722 to 702.
dumb shit. Stupid fun shit. I don't give a f. I literally don't give a f.
Well, she's going to jail. I'll tell you that right now.
No doubt.
No, 100%. 100%.
You guys alright?
Yeah.
Okay, officer. Just be gentle, shit.
Be gentle. She's kicking us and punching us, bro. What do you mean be gentle?
I'm sorry.
We were very nice to her. We were very nice to her the whole time.
My apologies.
There's no being gentle anymore.